Hi everybody and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to offer free shipping on Shopify for specific products. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply head over to your settings, and then you can see we have shipping and delivery under customer accounts, and from there you can simply select your local deliveries. So you can set up your local deliveries. You can maybe choose if you want to provide a free delivery as well. So sorry about that. And you can see we have various other options as well. If you want to add a new profile for shipping, you can do that. You can select a product and choose free shipping if you want to do. So that's it for this one. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.